Over 60? Eat this before sleep to repair your eyes and vision during sleep. Every year, older adults are spending billions of dollars on supplements, new glasses, and expensive treatments, while big pharmaceutical companies continue to make huge profits by treating symptoms instead of fixing the real cause of vision loss. Have you ever felt frightened when streetlights start to blur, when your eyes feel dry and gritty when you wake up, or when reading your favorite book becomes completely exhausting? Do not believe the lie that vision loss is simply a normal part of aging, because in reality, around 14 million people worldwide are currently living with blindness or severe vision impairment due to macular degeneration. The latest research has revealed a shocking truth. There are certain foods that, when eaten the right way just before bedtime, can activate your body's natural retinal repair process during your deepest sleep cycle. In this video, we will reveal a ranked list of powerful foods, from effective to extremely effective, especially the top food with scientific evidence showing long-term protection for your eyes. Do not miss a single second, because the top food may truly surprise you with how powerfully it can help your eyes recover, even while you are asleep. Please like, share, and subscribe right now to help us protect the most precious asset you have, your eyesight, and stay until the end to learn how to prepare this nighttime remedy. Now, let's begin with food number 8, a very familiar root that is often used the wrong way, causing it to lose most of its nutritional value. 1. Sweet potatoes, nighttime fuel for visual pigment repair. Sweet potatoes contain a unique amount of beta-carotene that older bodies can convert into vitamin A especially well during sleep cycles. This bright orange root is one of the richest natural sources of this nutrient, making it extremely helpful for maintaining healthy night vision. When you eat sweet potatoes before bed, your liver begins a special absorption process that sends beta-carotene into the retinal tissue, where pigment cells use it to rebuild rhodopsin, the key protein that helps you see in low-light conditions. A major study following older adults found clear improvements in contrast sensitivity and a noticeable reduction in night blindness symptoms among those who consumed sweet potatoes regularly. This recovery process becomes most active during REM sleep, when blood flow to the eyes increases, helping repair tiny injuries in the macula. To get the best results, you should never microwave sweet potatoes, because uneven heat destroys many of their beneficial compounds. Instead, steam or bake them with the skin on and add 1 spoon of healthy fat to greatly improve absorption, since beta-carotene dissolves in fat. Have you heard people say that eating sweet potatoes at night causes bloating? Or have you been avoiding this affordable and valuable food? Do not worry about digestion if you combine foods the right way, because food number 7 will also help reduce dryness and inflammation in your eyes. 2. Wild salmon, omega-3 repair team for the retina. Wild salmon offers a perfect combination of omega-3 fatty acids and astaxanthin, working like a biological repair team that helps restore aging eyes while you sleep. DHA from salmon makes up a large portion of the fatty acids in your retina, and during sleep, your body prioritizes using fresh DHA to replace damaged light-sensing cells. This not only reduces inflammation, but also helps protect your eyes from blue light damage thanks to the powerful antioxidant astaxanthin. A long-term clinical study that followed older adults found that those who ate salmon regularly had a much lower risk of worsening macular degeneration. People who ate salmon before bed also reported better natural tear production and less discomfort from dry eyes. Be sure to choose wild-caught salmon instead of farm-raised, because wild salmon contains significantly more protective pigments and higher quality omega-3s. A helpful tip is to bake the fish at moderate heat for about 15 minutes to protect the delicate omega-3 structure and avoid overcooking. Did you know that combining salmon with a little turmeric and black pepper can further improve its anti-inflammatory power? And if you do not want a heavy dinner with fish, food number 6 will be a lighter option that still offers powerful macular protection from high mountain regions. 3. Goji berries, a zeaxanthin shield for strong macular protection. Goji berries, the small red fruit from the Himalayan region, have been trusted in traditional medicine for eye health for more than 2,000 years, and modern science has now confirmed that they contain one of the highest natural concentrations of zeaxanthin. This powerful nutrient helps build a dense protective layer in the macula while you sleep, shielding your eyes from harmful blue light and oxidative damage. A clinical study involving older adults found that regular goji berry consumption significantly increased macular pigment density and led to clearer vision on standard eye charts. What is especially interesting is that people who ate goji berries in the evening showed better recovery than those who ate them in the morning, because zeaxanthin absorption reaches its peak at night when digestion is more stable. For best results, soak 1 small handful of organic goji berries in warm water before eating to soften the outer skin and improve nutrient absorption. A very important note is not to take goji berries with green tea or coffee because the tannins in those drinks can block zeaxanthin absorption. Would you be willing to replace sugary snacks tonight with a small bowl of goji berries to protect your eyesight? Now get ready for food number 5, a familiar nutrient source that your body absorbs far better than most plant-based options. 4. Organic egg yolks, a natural delivery system for lutein. Organic egg yolks provide one of the most bioavailable sources of lutein and zeaxanthin, meaning your aging body can absorb these nutrients much more efficiently than from vegetables alone. Yolks from pasture-raised or grass-fed chickens contain far more protective pigments than regular factory-farmed eggs. When eaten before bed, these nutrients travel directly to the retina and form precise protective layers that filter harmful light wavelengths during sleep. Researchers who followed older adults in a controlled nutrition study found that daily egg yolk intake significantly increased macular pigment density and improved color contrast sensitivity. In addition to lutein and zeaxanthin, egg yolks also contain phospholipids that help carry fat-soluble vitamins directly to the optic nerve while you rest. The best way to prepare them is to gently scramble the eggs over low heat for about 3 minutes, because high temperatures can damage delicate lutein molecules. Use a little butter or ghee to preserve nutrients and improve flavor. Are you surprised that something once blamed for heart problems may actually help you see small details better in low light? Next, we will explore a mysterious berry that once served as a secret weapon for pilots during night missions. 5. Bilberries, the night vision secret of wartime pilots. Bilberries contain powerful anthocyanosides that once helped British Royal Air Force pilots improve night vision during World War II, and this effect can be even more helpful for aging eyes. These compounds work together to rebuild rhodopsin in retinal cells and strengthen signal transmission from the eyes to the brain while you sleep. They can also cross the blood-brain barrier and concentrate in the visual cortex, helping improve how quickly your brain processes visual information. A European eye health study following older adults with early macular changes found that bilberry extract significantly slowed disease progression and improved nighttime visual clarity. Participants also reported less eye fatigue after activities that require strong focus, such as reading or driving at night. You can take a small serving of fresh bilberries or a standardized extract about 2 hours before bedtime, and it is best to take them on an empty stomach or with a little yogurt because protein helps absorption while carbohydrates may reduce their effect. Never combine them with citrus fruits because vitamin C can break down these valuable compounds before they reach your retina. Are you ready to move on to food number 4, which delivers an impressive dose of vitamin C along with circulation-boosting benefits for your eyes? Number 6. Black currants, collagen repair and better retinal circulation. Black currants are extremely rich in vitamin C and gamma-linoleic acid, creating a powerful combination that activates deep retinal repair during your deepest stages of sleep. This fruit supports collagen rebuilding in the cornea and strengthens the tiny blood vessels that supply oxygen and nutrients to the retina. What makes black currants special is their rare omega-6 fatty acid, which your body converts into strong anti-inflammatory compounds that directly protect sensitive eye tissues. A long-term nutrition study involving older adults found that eating black currants before bed helped improve overall visual sharpness and reduced pressure inside the eyes. This is especially important for seniors who are at risk of glaucoma and circulation problems in the eyes. For best results, eat about half a bowl of fresh black currants or take black currant seed oil before bedtime and combine it with a small amount of fresh cheese to improve absorption of the beneficial fats. Gently crushing the berries before eating helps release seed oils and activates helpful enzymes. Even small changes to your evening snack can reduce stress on your optic nerve and protect your eyesight over time. Now let's move on to food number 2, a rare spice often called red gold. 7. Saffron. Regeneration power for light-sensing cells. Saffron contains two powerful compounds, crocin and crocetin, which scientists have found can help revive light-sensing cells that were once thought to be permanently damaged by macular degeneration. This precious spice allows protective compounds to cross the retinal barrier and concentrate directly in damaged areas of the macula while you sleep. With a small nightly amount, you can activate a strong cellular repair process that improves retinal sensitivity and visual clarity. A clinical trial involving older adults with moderate macular damage showed measurable improvements in vision after consistent nightly use of saffron. Advanced imaging confirmed that dormant photoreceptor cells began functioning again after regular supplementation. To use saffron properly, soak a small pinch in warm milk and drink it about 1 hour before bedtime, allowing the active compounds to be fully absorbed while fat from the milk helps carry them through digestion. Try to lie down soon after drinking it because a horizontal position increases blood flow to the eyes and improves nutrient delivery. Can you believe that just a few delicate strands can sometimes work better than expensive prescriptions? And now, get ready for the most powerful food on this list. 8. Raw cacao, the #1 superfood for retinal blood flow. Raw cacao earns the top spot because it contains epicatechin, a flavanol that increases blood flow to the retina and stimulates new energy production inside aging photoreceptor cells. This is not the sugary cocoa powder found in stores, but unroasted, pure cacao that contains hundreds of protective plant compounds working together to support every part of your visual system. Epicatechin also helps activate genes involved in nerve regeneration along the optic pathway. A large university study that followed older adults found that consuming raw cacao before bed improved visual processing speed and increased retinal thickness, both signs of stronger eye function. It also helped people with circulation-related eye problems by increasing nitric oxide during REM sleep, delivering more oxygen to retinal cells. The ideal method is to mix raw cacao powder into warm plant milk and drink it about 45 minutes before sleep on an empty stomach, so protein from other foods does not block flavanol absorption. Adding a small amount of warming spices can further enhance circulation and nutrient delivery. With consistent use, many seniors begin noticing clearer vision and better night focus within just a short time. Are you ready to try this golden bedtime drink tonight? Tonight, you have discovered a powerful journey of foods that can help restore your vision while you sleep, from simple sweet potatoes to the remarkable strength of raw cacao. Remember, your eyes are not only the windows to your soul, they are the key to your independence and quality of life as you age, and delaying care can quietly steal your sight without warning. If you ignore the early signs of eye damage and fail to protect your vision starting tonight, the risk of permanent vision loss and the inability to clearly see the faces of your loved ones becomes far more real than most people realize. Do not allow yourself to become just another painful number among the millions losing vision to macular degeneration around the world. Please like, subscribe, and share this video so others your age can protect their eyesight too. In our next video, we will reveal common morning habits that may be damaging your brain faster than time itself, so stay tuned and protect your mental clarity as well. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you again in our next video.